Hello everybody. So I get a laptop with a broken LCD. There was no backlight, so I used two LCDs and get one backlight from one LCD and the screen from another. And I had to do a little hack to turn it on because the drivers didn't match on those LCDs. So I took the main board from the working LCD, and also I salvaged the other board from the one who has working LEDs and also the driver. And here is this 30 pin connector. So I had to connect 4 wires for this to work. First of all, on the right side, these 4 pins are the main power, which are 19 volts. And then it becomes 2 pins which are actually the count is otherwise otherwise the count is from other side. Like there is the pin 13 and this is the pin 1. So the pin from 26 to 29, here we have voltage for the LEDs. Here the pin 22 and 23 are important. 22 are backlight enable and 23 are PWM signal, which gives the level of brightness. And there is this, I don't remember which one this was. This was 12 and 13. Pin 12 and pin 13 was the main power. So yeah, I connected the LED wire over here. The enable wire I connected directly to this little IC, which are controlling the output of the LEDs. And also I had to connect this this main power. This main power, because otherwise it doesn't work. Yeah. So yeah, this is quite quite interesting hack. The results are not so satisfying because the backlight is bright on this side. On this side is really bright and this side is not so bright. I guess this is because I changed the LEDs and they didn't fit nicely. So yeah, but for an old laptop as this, I think it works fine. So yeah, I will put everything together and then I will show you how it looks like. So the main PCB at the moment looks like this. Yeah, I could cut this PCB over here. Then I have to yeah. And about those controllers, this one makes 30 volts for LEDs, and this one just outputs that voltage for the LEDs, and also controlling PWM. Yeah, the other side, I think this is the main controller for the LCD, and this one, I don't know what does this one do, but still, yeah, this setup works. I don't know for how long or how stable it will be, but at the moment it works fine. Yeah. Okay.